Olive oil is amazing for your hair, and we're going to go over all its amazing benefits, how you can use it today to repair your hair, and who should not use it, and also some simple tricks to get even better hair. Olive oil contains vitamin E, which is extremely good for your hair. It helps to smooth the hair shaft, which could make it look longer and smoother, and it reduces the frizz. It can help to heal the hair shaft, and it can help to reverse the damage already done. Olive oil is super rich in fatty acids. It has lots of oleic acid, linoleic acid, and palmitic acid. These oils can penetrate into the hair shaft, making it stronger, softening your hair, and protecting it from damage. It helps your hair to become super soft and shiny and silky. Because it can penetrate into the hair shaft, it makes your hair super moisturized and nourished from the inside out. So your hair will love it. So let's get into the first recipe. You want 2 tablespoons of olive oil, up to a quarter of a cup of olive oil. First, you want to assess your hair and see how it looks. Is it dry and brittle on the ends? Do you have damage from root to tip? This will decide how much oil you're going to use. If you're just going to do the tips, then you just need 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If your whole hair looks damaged, dry, from root to tip, then you'll probably need the whole quarter cup of olive oil. Now you need to warm it up in a double boiler. Do not use the microwave. The microwave destroys the nutrients that are in the oil. So it's better to use the double boiler on the stove. Just use a pot inside another pot of water and heat that up slowly. That's enough. You're just warming it up a little bit, enough you can still touch it with your fingertips. Then we're going to apply that to your hair wherever you see the damage. And then you're going to wrap your hair in a warm towel and leave that in your hair for 1 to 2 hours. Then just wash out with a gentle shampoo, and you may have to wash out a couple of times, and your hair should be fully conditioned. And after just the first use, you should see some amazing results. Your hair should be soft, silky, shiny, a lot of the damage being minimized, no more frizz. You should see lots of changes just from the first use. If you feel you have severe damage in your hair and want to have a little bit more, try recipe number 2. This recipe has eggs in it, and the extra protein will be very appreciated by your hair. You will need 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and you want to warm up the oils a little bit and then mix in the 2 eggs. You need it to just be warm to the touch. You're going to apply that to your whole head from the root to tip. And again, wrap your hair in a warm towel and let that sit on your hair for 1 hour and then wash it off. This is very good for rebuilding your hair because of the protein in it. It will help make it even stronger. For either of these, do not do it more than 1 to 2 times a week. That is more than enough. Now let's go over who should not use this. Olive oil treatment is not for everyone. If you have thin hair, fine hair, or a naturally oily scalp, you should not use this. It will make your hair feel very heavy and limp and flat. So this is not good for every hair type. You should use it if you have thick hair, dry hair, curly hair, processed hair, you've used a lot of heat treatments, split ends. This is for you. And you want to know a secret? If you really want to make your hair stay good and strong and healthy and beautiful, you can just do this one thing. Eat more healthy. Stop eating processed food. That means most things in a package. Don't eat trans fats. And do not eat sugar. Try this and you should see lots more healthy growth in your hair and very strong, healthy hair growing. Olive oil is super amazing for your hair. It does reverse damage almost instantly from the first day. It prevents split ends. It does make your hair soft, shiny, and silky like this. It will strengthen your hair follicles and make the shafts much stronger, and it will enhance your hair growth. If you would like super hair growth, you can watch my video on rosemary for extreme hair growth here. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below if you try it. I'd love to hear from you.